Premium quality square popcorn containers. Make your next movie night unforgettable with the Stock Your Home Classic Popcorn Container Value Pack. Made of high-quality cardboard paper, our popcorn boxes assemble in seconds. They are recyclable, disposable, and microwave safe. Auto pop design. No more fumbling. Unlike traditional fold and lock models, our popcorn holder is designed to pop open when unfolded to assemble in mere seconds. For added security, box tape down the bottom. Disposable grease-proof containers. Made of premium quality paperboard material, our durable paper popcorn cups are grease-resistant. You'll never have to worry about butter or grease leaking through the popcorn boxes and getting onto your clothes. Stylish fun. Instantly impress your guests with our vintage-style red-white striped movie popcorn containers. Our boxes are a showstopper for any event, sparking excitement for people of all ages. Great for movie theaters, festivals, amusement parks, stadiums, concert venues, concession stands, themed parties, carnivals, family get-togethers, and more. Great value pack. Our value pack comes with 25 square paperboard popcorn boxes with 46-ounce capacity per container. Dimensions. Approximately 7.75 by 4 inches by 2.75. Top reviews from the United States. Making recovery fun. I recently got to graduate from the Stout Street Foundation. I've been out for over a year, but due to COVID wasn't allowed to give back to the place that saved my life. So the day before graduation I threw a popcorn movie night for the residents currently in the program. These containers were so special and added a really fun touch to the evening.